Magnison-Moss Warranty Act violation can absolutely be filed even if the lemon law does not apply. I've done it many times. Even though a lemon law repurchase may be a legal impossibility and that claim is not filed, the decrease in value to a vehicle because of a defect could potentially still fetch a notable award in court. Additionally, if it can be proven that a manufacturer behaved in a way that was unfair or unconscionable in their sale of the vehicle, additional damages can be awarded under the state's consumer protection laws. On top of that, if they were purposefully unconscionable, even further damages can be awarded by a court. Bottom line is, if your vehicle had multiple warranty repairs, you should call for a free consultation even if the lemon law seems to be out of reach.